Oh my God, I think I lost my phone. Oh my God, I can't find my friends anywhere. Oh my God, that was so scary. Okay guys, welcome to Let's Talk and you are with me, Meera. Well guys, you must have heard me saying oh my God so many times. The fact is that you know and I know that we face at least 5 situations every day where either we say oh my God or we're texting oh my God to someone. Now guys, when oh my God is such a commonly used phrase, why not get a little bit of variety, a little bit of spice in the same? Alright, in today's video, you are going to learn 10 different ways to say oh my God, so that you don't have to repeatedly say the boring phrase or get others bored by saying the same phrase. Well, I am going to begin with a rather unique word to express oh my God. Are you ready? All right. The first word is agates. Yes. So this by far is the most unique way to say or to replace oh my God. It actually means yea God. So basically people believed that there is one God, and that's why this word came in existence. Agates. Now, let's try putting it into sentences, shall we? All right. Agates. I never thought of that. Agates. He should really stop talking. Agates. Go put on some pants, you crazy. Agates. You should really take a bath now. See how you use the word agates in replacement of our very beloved phrase, oh my God? Well, I have more such interesting phrases for you. Ready? Now, the next one is a British way of saying oh my God. Have you already guessed what that is? Well, the next word or the phrase is blimey. Haven't you heard this particular word in different British movies or series? Well, that's where I learned this one from. Now, I'm going to use it in sentences for you. All right. Blimey, I forgot to wish my mom and dad on their anniversary. Blimey, it's raining again and I forgot my umbrella. Blimey, my phone got switched off again. What am I going to do? All right, guys, the next phrase is jeepers. You can also add jeepers creepers, which actually is basically a very, very creepy series of movies, you know. But the actual phrase is cheapers. Cheapers! There is a lizard on my bed. You see what I mean? Well, I have more examples. Jeepers creepers, please don't show me such scary movies again ever. Jeepers, what a crazy show that was. I've got goosebumps. Jeepers, that was the most difficult trek I have ever done. Now guys, the next one is sort of an expression when you are in more of a shock, you know, and that expression which you can replace with oh my God is holy moly. Well, I personally use this especially if I have a friend whose name is Molly, right? It goes together. Well, let's try it in sentences. Holy moly, I won the World Cup tickets. Holy moly, the electricity bill this month is $1,000. Holy moly, all my white clothes have turned red. What am I going to do? All right, guys. Now, the next one is particularly something where you want to avoid cursing. You know, when you want to say the word shit, but you cannot say it because you have elders around or you're in a formal atmosphere, this is the one that you can use. Holy smokes! So instead of using the other word S, you just say smokes, right? Well, I am going to use it in different sentences so that you get just the right way to say it. Holy smokes, are you joking? Holy smokes, you got your hair colored red. Holy smokes, why is your hand in plaster? Holy smokes, that's an amazing news. Well, guys, I know that you're enjoying already, because now the next phrase is when you're trying to keep, that composure and just want to sound very conservative, yet be expressive. And for that, you have a rather sophisticated phrase, and that is, my word. Doesn't it sound very olden ages English, like a classic sophisticated phrase? Well, let's try using it in sentences. My word, this report is simply terrible. My word, I cannot believe you went without me. My word, why would you say such a rude thing? My word, who does such stupid things? Goodness gracious me! A rather elegant phrase to replace the old one, right? Goodness gracious me. It's graceful the way the word says, and it's pretty elegant. Now let's try using this. Goodness gracious me! What happened to me? Why am I talking like this? Goodness gracious me! Why are you not wearing the same color pants as us? Goodness gracious me! Where are we? Goodness gracious me! Why are you back answering your mother? Now, let's try this one. For heaven's sake! Doesn't it happen to you when you're just irritated and angry? This comes out of you, that just for heaven's sake, stop doing something. Now, sometimes people also say, oh my God, out of irritation. But especially for when you're irritated and you want to express that and you just want to stop using any abusive language, try this one out, guys. Let's try it in sentences now. For heaven's sake, just decide which restaurant we want to go. For heaven's sake, enough of this loud music. For heaven's sake, can we just stop watching family drama series? See how we avoided an abusive language and still could express when we are irritated on somebody or on something that is happening around us. Guys, the next one is to sound like, you belong to a different decade altogether. It's very sweet and it's very innocent. And that phrase is, dear me. All right, here are a few examples for you. Oh dear me, why is your forehead bleeding? Dear me, what a terrible news. Dear me, don't worry, it will all be fine. Oh dear me, you scared me. Well, the next phrase is a very goody-goody phrase, and that is, good golly. Good golly, this place is a mess. Good golly, I have no clothes to wear for the event. Good golly, you broke all my glass plates. Good golly, you've grown up to look so different. Well, guys, I'm sure you have enjoyed today's lesson because it has so many different varieties of the way you want to express, oh my God, in different situations, for different moods, for different anger or different feelings. Well, that's all for the day, but I'm sure you're going to use any of these phrases very soon. If not, at least in today's day, either in messaging or you would say it out loud, I'm sure you're going to use it. Well, with this, I'm going to conclude today's video. I will see you soon in another video with another topic. Until then, this is me, Meera, saying goodbye.